Ever wondered how the U.S. Navy maintains its underwater dominance? Prepare to delve into the technological marvel that is the Seawolf-class submarine, a silent hunter engineered for unparalleled stealth, speed, and firepower. This isn't just a submarine, it's a strategic asset redefining naval warfare. The Seawolf-class represents a pinnacle of submarine design, integrating advanced technologies to achieve unmatched operational capabilities. From its propulsion system to its sensor suite, every aspect is meticulously engineered for peak performance in the most demanding underwater environments. At the core of the Seawolf lies the S-6W nuclear reactor, a pressurized water reactor delivering approximately 45,000 shaft horsepower. This power plant provides virtually unlimited range and endurance, crucial for extended deployments. The innovative pump-jet propulsion system replaces traditional propellers, significantly reducing cavitation noise and enhancing stealth. The Seawolf's stealth capabilities are legendary. Its design incorporates advanced anechoic cladding, meticulously applied to the hull to absorb sonar signals. This, combined with a streamlined hull form and the pump-jet propulsion, makes the Seawolf exceptionally quiet, often described as quieter at 25 knots than a Los Angeles-class submarine at rest. The Seawolf-class boasts an advanced sonar suite, including a spherical bow sonar array, wide aperture array, WAA, and a towed array sonar system. These sensors provide unparalleled situational awareness, enabling the submarine to detect, track, and classify targets at extended ranges. Integrated combat systems allow for rapid engagement with a variety of threats. Constructed from high-yield HY100 steel, the Seawolf-class possesses exceptional hull strength, enabling it to operate at depths exceeding 2,000 feet. This deep-diving capability provides a significant tactical advantage, allowing the submarine to evade detection and operate in areas inaccessible to other vessels. The Seawolf-class is not just about technology, it's about operational effectiveness. Its speed, stealth, and firepower make it a formidable asset in a wide range of missions, from anti-submarine warfare to intelligence gathering. The Seawolf-class can achieve speeds in excess of 35 knots, 40 miles per hour, underwater, making it one of the fastest submarines in the world. Unlike many submarines that must sacrifice speed for stealth, the Seawolf can maintain a high cruising speed while remaining exceptionally quiet, providing a significant tactical advantage. Designed for extended deployments, the Seawolf-class carries a crew of approximately 140 officers and enlisted personnel, with ample provisions for months of operation. The hull is reinforced for Arctic operations, enabling the submarine to operate under and break through polar ice caps, expanding its operational reach. The USS Jimmy Carter, SSN-23, a modified Seawolf-class submarine, is equipped with a multi-mission platform, MMP, for special operations, SEAL team deployments, and advanced intelligence gathering. The Seawolf-class is equipped with 8 660mm torpedo tubes, twice the number found on the Los Angeles-class, providing a significant increase in firepower. Its arsenal includes Mark 48 ADCAP torpedoes, advanced heavyweight torpedoes designed to engage and destroy enemy submarines and surface ships, UGM-109 Tomahawk missiles, land attack cruise missiles capable of striking targets over 2,500 kilometers away, Harpoon anti-ship missiles designed to engage and destroy enemy warships, advanced countermeasures, sophisticated countermeasures designed to evade incoming torpedoes and other threats. Only 3 Seawolf-class submarines were built: USS Seawolf, SSN-21, USS Connecticut, SSN-22, and USS Jimmy Carter, SSN-23. Their limited numbers and advanced capabilities make them a highly valued and strategically important asset for the U.S. Navy. What do you think? Does the Seawolf-class represent the pinnacle of submarine design, or will the next generation SSN-X surpass its capabilities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of cutting-edge military technology and naval strategy. Your support helps us bring you more content on the future of underwater warfare.